Selling an iPhone with a broken screen? Erasing your data is a must. In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to wipe your iPhone safely. Let's get started. Way 1. Erase iPhone with broken screen via Eraser for iOS. Use Mobican Eraser for iOS to wipe your broken iPhone securely in one click. It deeply scans and permanently erases all data on iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, x876. Since erased data is unrecoverable, back up important files before proceeding. Step 1. Launch Eraser for iOS. Download and install Eraser for iOS on your computer. Connect your iPhone via USB, and it will be recognized automatically. Step 2. Select the erasing option. In the main interface of Eraser for iOS, click the Erase option. Next, select the security level based on your preference: low, medium, or high. Type Delete in the confirmation box, click OK, and then click Erase to continue. Step 3. Start the erasing process. Once you complete the setup, the software will begin scanning and erasing your iPhone. Make sure the device remains unlocked throughout the process. Once the erasing is complete, your iPhone will automatically restart. Way 2. Factory restore iPhone with broken screen through iCloud. Go to iCloud.com, sign in, and select Find My iPhone. Choose your device, click Erase iPhone, and confirm. Wait for the reset to complete. Way 3. Factory reset broken iPhone by iTunes. Open iTunes, connect your iPhone, and go to the Summary tab. Click Restore iPhone and confirm. Wait for the restart and factory reset to finish. Way 4. Clear iPhone with broken screen via recovery mode. Enter recovery mode. iPhone 8 Plus. Volume up, volume down, hold side. iPhone 7. Hold side plus volume down. iPhone 6 seconds or earlier, hold home plus side top. Connect via USB, click Restore iPhone, and wait 15 min. Retry if needed. Bonus tip: back up your broken iPhone before factory reset. Need to back up an iPhone with a broken screen? Mobican Assistant for iOS makes it easy. Transfer data to your computer in a few steps, with options for full or selective backup.